Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back to the studio. Now, let's be honest, are you paying too much for your art supplies? Well, chances are if you're shopping at your local big box store, chances are pretty good that you're paying too much. Listen, all the time at workshops and classes and giving lessons, I'll ask students about their supplies like, why did you buy that, or where'd you get that? It's like, well, it's the only thing they had. I said, what do you mean it's the only thing they had? Well, it's the only thing that, add the name of the big box store had last night when I went to go get my supplies. Listen, you're right. The big box stores are very, very limited on their supplies and what they carry. They're also expensive. Whereas if you order things online, there's an unlimited supply and an unlimited variation of products that you can choose from, and you will save money. Your local big box store, if they're giving you 40% off on this or 50% off on that, think about it. How are they going to make money, right? I mean, they have to charge more on other products to allow you to get 40 or 50 or 60% off on some other products. All right, so they're not really doing you a good job or doing you a favor. It's not like shopping at a local mom and pop store. It's a big box store. I mean, I do all my shopping at either jerrysartarama.com or dickblick.com. I only buy art supplies online. Never, unless there's a huge sale at one of the big box stores on canvases. That's the only thing I would ever purchase at a big box store. Otherwise, I buy every single thing I use online. And it saves me a lot of money, particularly if you sign up at one of the online retailers for their mailings, their emails. If you get on the email list, you're going to get specials sent to you probably every day or at least every week. It's going to save you money, and shipping typically is free if it's over $40 or $45. And $40 or $45 worth of art supplies is not much. So it's really easy to get free shipping. And in either case, whether it's online or at your big box store, you're going to pay sales tax. So, I vote for more options for art supplies and a cheaper price online, rather than going to, insert the name of your local big box art supply store. Now, those are businesses too, and they need to operate, and I understand that. But just keep in mind, they're not your best alternative, generally speaking, and this depends on where you live. Obviously, if you're in the lower 48 states in the U.S., it's going to be easier to get things than if you're living in Alaska or Hawaii, or if you're in Europe or different places. But for the lower 48 in the U.S., shopping online at probably Jerry's or Dick Blick is going to be, one of your better options. So if you haven't tried that before, give it a try. Get on the mailing list where you receive coupon codes for discounts and other discounts that may not show up on the website proper, and you can save some money. All right? Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.